Hello there, everyone out there. I figured I could try to do a video here on the couch. Please ignore the extra additional background noise. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. Don't worry about the headphones. I figured I could do like a My Little Pony thing because my son really likes My Little Pony. So I figured I could entertain him a little. Here we go. Welcome to the show. We're here to let you know our time is now. Your time is running out. Feel the wave of sound as it crashes down. You can't turn away. We'll make you want to stay. We will be adored. Tell us what you want. We won't be ignored. Your time or our reward. Oh, you need us. Come and heed us. Nothing can stop us now. Oh, I got the music in me. Oh, don't need to hear a crowd cheering out my name. I didn't come here seeking infamy or fame. The one and only thing that I am here to bring, which is the music, is music in my soul. Gonna break out, let yourself free, yeah. Gonna let all go, let it be, yeah. The music in your heart, let the music make you start to set yourself apart. We have in store all we want and more. We will break on through. Now it's time to finish you. You're never gonna bring me down. You're never gonna break this part of me. My friends are here to bring me round. No singles and popularity. We're gonna let you know. We're gonna let you go. Our music is the bomb and I'm about to blow. And you can try to fight. And we don't got the light. But shit on our side. The music in our hearts. We'll blow this thing apart. And together we will never be afraid of the dark. And I sing our song out loud. Get you dancing with the crowd. And the music of our friendship survive, survive. To the music in our hearts. We blow this thing apart. And together we will never be afraid of the dark. I'm here to sing our song out loud. Get you dancing with the crowd. As the music of our friendship survives, survives, survives.